How to log in into TaxAct account. Welcome to our channel, and let's start with this quick tutorial. Firstly, open a preferred browser on your PC or on your mobile device and search for TaxAct account login. Then you have to tap on Sign into your TaxAct account and make sure that it is from official website. You have to enter your username and your password to sign into your TaxAct account. Then tap on Agree and sign in. Tap on Forgot username or password. Then enter your email address or mobile number and tap on this box. Then tap on Next. It will guide you through the recovery process. If you do not have an account, tap on Create a new account. First step is to enter your email address, your mobile number, username and your password. On the second step, you will have to submit some of the verification document so that it can realize that is you, which will also help you to recover your account in the future. If you face any of the difficulty regarding login, you can tap on this chat icon to chat with a live agent or a bot as well. TaxAct has become one of the leading online tax preparation platforms, simplifying the tax filing process. So make sure to sign in or sign up to TaxAct right now. And thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.